Welcome to Homework Lib.
All right, so the first thing I wanted to do here, and I've already done it here, I want to move that 2x squared on the right side over to the left side by subtracting it. So I have 3x squared minus 2x squared, which just gives me my x squared right here. I have the negative 3x is still there. And I move the 4 over to the left side by subtracting 4, which gives me my negative 4 here. So my polynomial, once I move everything, is x squared minus 3x minus 4. When I factor that, I get x minus 4x plus 1. And we obviously have that as less than 0. So to find our zeros here, what can we plug in to get both of these parts to equal 0? For this one, we have 4. For this, we have negative 1. And those are the two critical points that we want to use for our interval. So we have negative infinity to negative 1. We have negative 1 to 4. And we have 4 to infinity. And those are the three interval points that we want. Okay, so from negative infinity to negative 1, I'll just choose negative 2. So when we plug negative 2 into our factored form, we have negative 2 minus 4, which gives us a negative 6. Negative 2 plus 1 gives us a negative 2. Negative times a negative is equal to a positive. So that we have a net positive. From negative 1 to 4, I'll use 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. 0 plus 1 is a positive 1. Negative times a positive gives us a net negative. Then 4 to infinity, I'll use 5. 5 minus 4 is positive 1. 5 plus 1 is positive 6. Positive times a positive gives us a net positive. All right, so here we're looking at a less than 0, so we're looking at anything negative. So we're looking at this interval right here because that's the one that gives us a negative right there. All right, so because we have less than, we cannot include those endpoints. So it's negative 1 to 4 with parentheses because we cannot include them. And then on our number line, we have our two endpoints, negative 1 and 4. Because we cannot include them, we put open circles here. And then it's everything in between is part of our solution set, not including our endpoint.